I'm Jacob Terrell, and here's a severe weather update for you guys. Severe weather outlook through now until early next week. And as you can see, we do have the general thunder line extending down through Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, up through the Ozarks into the lower Ohio Valley region, just north of Indianapolis and almost to Columbus, Ohio. And there is a sea text, as you can see, down there in Missouri and the Arkansas area. We'll take a look at the probabilities, and right here we have the hail probability, 5% over southern Missouri, southern Illinois, Evansville, Indiana, almost to Vincennes, Indiana. And then we have the 5% wind threat down through extreme southern Missouri, almost to Evansville. And it's basically the same with the tornado zone. It's a 2% probability. Overall, the severe weather threat appears to be rather low for today. If we saw anything, it would actually be tonight. Let me scoot the camera over a bit. You have to apologize. I apologize for the shaking. But as you can see, the instability is very limited for tonight and early Tuesday morning. So I'm not really expecting too much in the way of severe weather. There may be an isolated severe storm. We'll have to see about that. Now I'm going to scoot the camera over again. We're going to take a look at tomorrow's outlook. And tomorrow, once again, kind of the same deal. CTEX out for Mississippi, Alabama. The 5% probability stretching up to Memphis includes Jackson and Birmingham, down to Mobile, and I believe to close to whatever that city is called in the Florida Panhandle. Somebody can correct me on that, but I just can't speak today. And then again, as you can see on the latest runs on the GFS, we do have some instability for tomorrow. But then, as you can see, as we advance in the runs, it just kind of falls apart there in Mississippi and Alabama. So we're going to have to be watching that pretty closely. I have a gut feeling that we may have a better severe weather potential coming up next week. And, of course, that's still far out there. Real quickly, let me show you that. This is on day 9. And once again, as you can see, as we look through these runs, instability is going to be quite limited, but there will be shear and there will be sufficient moisture return, possibly. So we're going to have to see. We know that instability doesn't necessarily mean everything in winter. We have had episodes where even when Cape values have been inefficient, we have still seen severe weather. And so we'll have to watch that because it looks like there could be some good moisture return and possibly some good shear. And you never know, models might increase the Cape values as well. So maybe something to look forward to next week.